Hi, in this video I will show you how to add playlists on IBO player. So in order to add a playlist, first things first you need to have the IBO player installed into your actual application. So from in there you can head over and then just download it onto your Google Play or to other App Store device. Now I have in here this article that should be able to help us to add a playlist. So in order to add a playlist, you first need to have an IBO player as well as a playlist software and multimedia tools. So from in there, just log into your IBO player account, click on the new playlist or create, and then enter a name for your playlist. Then press on add and select your playlist's content. Arrange the title according to your preferences and save your playlist and test them into the IBO player. Alternatively, you can also upload video files. You can just go to your IBO player interface and go to media upload and then upload a video file that you would want. It should be able to show the progress for the upload and then your video will be available on the player. You can also customize metadata depending on that by selecting a video and editing it for the title, description, keywords, and more. Once you're done, you should be able to have your playlist onto your actual IBO player itself. So alternatively, you can also add an M3U playlist by using the link provided from the M3U wherein you actually host it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.